over the last 2 days about how successful companies are able to exploit and explore innovation to elongate their life expectancy. If you were here about a year ago, you heard this described as both induced and autonomous change, or induced and autonomous innovation.
We IPO'd as a 40-year-old company in 2006, and I kind of use the 40-year-old virgin approach, right? It's like, how do you take a 40-year-old company and now make it commercial-oriented, right? Not a not-for-profit, which is what we were before. Actually make the right investments, make a product, take a product's perspective. All muscles we had none of, zero, right? So it was 100% to the you know, in 2006. Yeah. First thing we did is we created a labs structure that really in the end worked out great, but it truly hijacked the term innovation. Sort of innovation for the company became you guys with the long hair and scruffy beards and earrings in labs, right? And it was sort of, it was a great first approach, but innovation wasn't even on the radar until we created an R&D environment that could look at new products and technologies.
The concept of FastWorks was something wonderful, and in the role I play, which is around engineering excellence, making sure from a software standpoint, we've got the right practices, we've got the right tools, and we equipped our engineers as best as possible to do the job in the best way possible. FastWorks was just kind of the answer that this is the way that we can be innovative, and we can iterate, and we can fail by using the word pivot. Right? We can figure out what the assumptions are that need to be validated and be able to logically work through that.
We use different terms. We use serendipitous innovation versus intentional. And often those things that are intentional really are more about linear strategy than they are innovation, you know. But interestingly, what we're really trying to do isn't to address present needs, right? It's to understand emergent needs and then make sure that we have activity that's occurring to address what we project those emergent needs to be.
You know, we actually pulled aside a group of very sharp engineers to do incubation and really rapid application development away from our core development team within IT, really addressing the business partners' needs. And what we'd rather do is not take their wants. We want to do that, right? But we also want to deliver them things they didn't think about, right? So, you know, when you have the subject matter experts actually working very closely in the various disciplines, you can actually start bringing things to the business units that they may have not thought about through the incubation process.